Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding dessert. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll also need a medium saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite serving dishes. Using whole milk will give your pudding a wonderfully rich and creamy texture, making it extra delicious. Now let's get cooking. In your medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar and cornstarch until they are completely blended. This step is crucial for a smooth pudding. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously as you add it. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue stirring. The mixture will begin to thicken in about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your pudding has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat immediately. Now is the perfect time to add your flavorings. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or any other flavor you prefer, until it's well combined. Carefully pour the hot pudding into your chosen serving dishes. Let it cool at room temperature for about 15 minutes before refrigerating. For the best results, refrigerate your pudding for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows it to set properly and become perfectly chilled. Before serving, feel free to add your favorite garnishes, like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or some chocolate shavings. It's a simple dessert that always brings smiles. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.